Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Ake ngibingelele kumana amagumbi omhlaba zonke inkalo kuzo zonke inkumbi zabantu ezobuka lo mfaniso. Ngiwumongameli wamabhinqa esizweni samaTebele kumahlaba ezulu amaphethele. Ngithi nje ngizogeqa amagula ngisikele jikayo nami ngidla kwelinonile. Kwesenzo esenzakele njengomholi as a president of the Bhinqa, nguhulumene wamabhinqa. Ngingumdidiyelo lobutho elihubayo. Ngizothi nje ngiqamagula ngodaba oluthinta iMarch and March le eholwa umdidiyelo wakwaMadlakazi uphakela umthakathi uNkosikhona Ndabandaba noJesinta Ngobese Zuma lo ngizwe emcunu umongameli wamabhinqa onguzakwethu. Mina nje ngesingami ke as a president of the Bhinqa nguhulumeni weinsizwa ngumuntu odidiyela leli butho elihlanzekile futhi elicikozayo eliqhambisa isiko lalo. Ngiyayibuka le nto, ngiyabuka futhi ngiyayijabulela bakithi, ngiyafisa ukuthi ngayenze kusuku ngosuku le senzo lesi. Into engijabulisa kuyo yonke into engihlabeka ngomqhwele, ngijabula ngijula ngoba akukho osizweni sakithi esizweni samahlaba ezulu othintekile kule mbhikisho nazo zonke lezi zenzo. Ngikujabulela kakhulu lokho futhi ngangushilo ngaphambilini abakwaziyo abangilandela kuleli ikhasi lami elibhalwe elika TikTok. Mhlasimbe nabanye kwezinye izinkundla bakuthola umlayezo engawudlulisa kubafowethu ophakela nabongizwe ngabane wethu laba ngokomlando esinawo nabo. Futhi ke into engijabulisa kuko konke nje ukuthi ingwenyama yakithi inyathe emnyama umkhasha wakazimangele lo wakhashwa ngezindi inyawo uDobhaDobha owadobha sonke isizwe sesiphelile. Inyathe emnyama ubulelani kalobhengula kaMzilikazi uhlangene nengwenyama uMisizulu kaZwelithini, ingwenyama ekaZulu sihlangene kusho ukuthi kuhlangana umlando okuhlangana kukaMashobana uMzilikazi ehlangana lo Shaka kaSoshangana uShaka iLembe. Emlandweni omkhulu kakhulu lokho kwenzekile einsukwini nje akabi nenyanga lokho kusase nje ngamaviki kuhlangene isiyokhuleka laphana isilo ubulelani sikhuleka kusilo uMisizulu okwenzwa uMzilikazi lokho futhi emandulo okumlando wayosihlanganisa namhlanje okwenza kwaba nobudlelwano obukhulu okaMzilikazi noShaka. Okunjabulisa kakhulu lokho kusho ukuthi ke niyayizwa imbono neziphakamiso zethu. Sengibuya ke nje njengomongameli njengomdidiyeli kubantu bakithi ababebe lenkulumo ezidakwayo la bevele bekobile emaflethini lapha belenge njengenkawula bemaflethini bekobile bethi bona asindawo. Shame on you. Ngizosho kanjalo nelithi asindawo lizohlala emaflethini lilenge emaflethini lapha. Of course yes kusenxiweni nobamkhulu benu futhi kumele likuhloniphe lokho kuhlonishwe nangaba ondabandaba lokho abakwenzile abasengibalusa abantu asengibakhipha umuntu emaflethini. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi libe kwazi ukuthi ibuphukuphuku endodeni ezokhuluma phambi komphakathi ithi yona eyindawo la eNingizimu Afrika ube ikwazi ukuthi lo muzi ilomhlaba uyashilwa ubomkhulu bayo le ematebele nje ngoba kuthiwa kumatebele nje esizweni samahlaba ezulu kumthwakazi namaphethele. Usuku isiphukuphuku sangempela sendoda esizokwazi ukuthi sithi nasayindawo la kube leliyalizwe manje liphethwe nje ikhwehlela zamakhehle ekhohlakele azamashona zidla kwasani zidla umhlaba zidayisela ipolitiki yonke ephethela phana ngamashona ama-ministry yonke ngamashona yonke into ngamashona. Induna lezi ezethu ezancishwa amandla uhulumene obandlululo owathi yena azibe ngamakhosi akithi lana aselawo ziphukuphuku ngokuluthwa yilwabasopolitiki ngoba sopolitiki laba ministries everything ko-council nani o-MPs okwaba ngamashona abafika bezothatha imali zesizwe imali zethu zamafagugu banikeze lezi induna zibe zincela mthondo babo ziqede lapho zibe zidawa nje singalokho zidayisa umhlaba wobamkhulu bazo singanakelela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mina ngibonga nje induna esasantsha kakhulu esenobuhlakani obujulile vele inkosi yaphansi ebabambeni enkaya uDakamela ibonisa ubuhlakani obukhulu ukuhlanganisa izizwe zonke, ukuhlanganisa iAfrika namaphethele ngobuhlakani bayo bobuhlakani bobuholi bayo. Ngiyiphakamisela nje, ngiyayibongela futhi yikho ukubonisa khona ukuthi kusasa lilele ebusheni lezi ikhwehlela zamakhwehla khohlakele angamakhosi akithi asedayisa ngomhlaba obamkhulu babo, asedayisa ngezwe lakithi, avumela amashona lezinja omele ziye leMpumalanga emhlabeni obamkhulu bawo emashona lente beqhubeka zolokhu kunja lapha sizoqala ukwenza amasimbi ezweni lakithi. So ngithi shame endodeni esuka eMatebele izithi lapha eGolini ayisayindawo. Usiphukuphuku ngempela ngoba umhlaba kwini uyahamba manje lapha eMatebele. Ngiyafisa mina ukuthi abophakela umthakathi bebe baningi akithi ezweni lakithi kueMatebele. Ngiyafisa mina ongizwe bebe 100, more than 100 esizweni sakithi eMatebele. Ngiyafisa oJesinta, omama oJesinta bebe zinkulungwana esizweni sakithi kuMatebele, kuMahlabezulu, kuMthwakazi. Ngiyafisa lokho bese ngibuye ebuthweni kaZoloke, ebutho logagu lwentaba, ebuthweni lwenkwali, ebuthweni lemagumeni. Ngiyafisa futhi ekudlulisa namabutheni izinkanyezi zezulu. Nibe kwazi ukuthi akulona butho akulona Asha lina, akubona Asha lina ukuthi lizo Asha abantu kubonakale nje njengoba nje libekiwe laphana lokhu nje nini usuku laphana ngoJuni, ngoba ngoJuni ngo20 June mangibona lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana ukuthi isilo siya lapha enkantolo enkulu koBulawayo. Akuphume izinkalo zonke, kuphume amabutho onke awoseka, kuphume isizwe sonke samahlabezulu, amatebele namaphethele, siyoseseka ukubhodla kweNgonyama izokhulumela amandla ayo ezolwela ubuso, ngoba sekwaba into zopolitiki lezi enkantolo ezesidakelwa kube kudala nje yayivela iphaka kwimpi.
This man right here is calling out all the Ndebele people to say, can you please come out and do just like uJacinta, Ungizwe noPhakela, what they did. We really do need Ungizwe Mchunu to the Ndebele tribe, and also uPhakela no Jacinta to this Ndebele tribe, so that we can also stand boldly so to fight for ourselves. Because if we don't do that, then nothing is going to work out for us. Which this really makes a lot of sense. If only in Zim people can be bold enough to stand up and fight the government for themselves, it will be much better. Yes, it will be much better. But I will never agree to another tribe standing against another tribe. No, that one it's a lot. It's just a lot. But if people could stand up, because I've heard so many stories of people saying like the government of Zimbabwe, if you do these marches that are happening in South Africa, they will actually beat the life out of you. They will beat you. So if there are people that are bold enough to stand up and obviously fight for their own rights, that will be really great. Because remember, for that leader to be there, it is because of the citizens. Yes, the citizens are the one that chose that person. And I believe that the citizens should also be saved in the right way, because when this person is busy electing for these positions, they will always promise good things to say, okay, I'm going to provide you with this, I'm going to provide you with this. There's like a lot of things which at the end of the day, they do not provide you with that. And it's very sad. It's really, really sad to witness everything that is happening in the African countries. So many African countries, African citizens are not okay in their own, where they come from, because of the government. You see, if people that can stand against their own government, then it's okay, but not against each other, because I don't believe the other tribe is the one that is causing anyone any problem. It is the government, because the other tribe is also suffering. Trust me when I say this. The other tribe is also suffering.